How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to lock chats on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. And then with the help of the search bar at top right corner of the screen, you can search for the contact name which you want to log on WhatsApp, or even with the help of this existing chats over here on the chat section, you can locate the particular chat that you want to log. Suppose if I want to log this chat, simply tap and hold the particular chat. Now select the three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, here you will see bunch of options including lock chat. Select lock chat and here tap continue button to use your fingerprint or face. Simply you have to enter your secret code and then you can easily scroll down and find out the lock chat at top of the screen. When you open, you have to enter your secret code. Instead of secret code, you can also even use your fingerprint. So that is how we can easily lock chats on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.